It's been raining like crazy. The yard is so wet. It's so moist in the yard. It's icky back here.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna leave the whole one.
Well, so what's wrong with these breadfruits?
Nothing wrong with them. I just because bad time.
These breadfruit leaves.
Them, right.
You know breadfruit up there?
No, not really yet.
Oh. What's that one thing up there? Oh, that's the coconut tree? Yeah, over there. Yeah, I see it. They far up there though. They real high. They real far this time. They ain't as far like how that tree is.
They wanna to me near because of this.
Yeah.
So nutmeg did up on the tree.
What you get?
Oh, breadfruit up on the tree. What?
It is. You see one? Wait, I'm right here. Don't let it drop to my head. You mean move?
At the leaf, never pick it up.
Oh, okay. The leaf.
Breadfruit already. Breadfruit, they young.
Wait, let me come over here so I can see what you're doing with the leaf.
You see the yellow one leaves them.
The yellow one?
Yeah, them more. See me come. Get off.
Oh, let me clean
the
camera. Picking breadfruit leaves, y'all. Oh yeah, the yellow, the dry one.
Yeah.
Dang, it got stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's up there. Savor Saturday. Lockdown in Jamaica.
God dang, it keeps getting stuck everywhere.
Just dragging. Mango blooming on.
Right.
The mango blossoming. That's young.
There you go. All right, let me get it. You see another one up there?
Some more over there, so. I got one there right there, so.
Oh, there go one. Look, close to you. You see it right here? All right, let me get them two. This shit just knocked down. Where the second one went?
More in there, sir. Voila. You got more in there, sir.
I don't know if it was this one or that one. Because it's two of them.
No, another.
Not that one.
Not that one. Because you can look on them, some of them muddy, you know, so that they're on the ground long time.
I don't know if this one or not, Gavin.
Oh, look. That one they look very small, but they clean. If you drop off a tree and it clean, then you can use, you know, mama. Look, I believe I that up another crowd right there, though.
Well.
Up, more up in there, sir.
No, them can't. So, unless it's this one right here.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, this one. Okay, yeah. It is this one. So it won't turn brown if we pick the green ones?
Yeah, remember say the green one we pick, but remember say just because baby see I wanna itch up in the fence you can get. But remember say because the place will get cold and then sitting there up.
And it messed it up. Yeah. Because it ain't gonna take enough when you got enough time?
Yeah, because the sun.
Alright, I see that one.
One over there, so they put two over there, so alright?
Where?
Yellow one there, the light yellow one there.
This one right here?
Yes, the light yellow one there. And look, the one there in the fence right there too. You drop right in the fence, so you know it's alright. I'm missing a couple more, so drop in
the fence where?
Yeah?
Where?
Well, let me come get it. Watch out. This one to you.
Oh yeah, I couldn't get over there. It's too mushy right there for my sandals. I should have put on some sneakers.
You saw them are nice. And that one we have to get. Remember dropping them away. Can't get comfortable. Shit, me, I'm gonna remember say what we do. Okay. Get back your breadfruit leaf then. Fish. They really get out.
I can't believe the rain bands. Just look at all these.
Yeah, baby, all of them there. What do you think of them then? I rain beat them down, you know?
Yeah.
And they used to up and big and pink.
Yeah. Real big and pink.
Ah, I gotta remember.
Yeah, because it can't even clean the yard up. It's supposed to be clear bottom right here. Because where we going to put the hammock at?
Right here, so this, look. Let your pass to see the avocado tree and the mango tree. Maybe I'll show you the spot.
Where?
See space right between them.
Oh, on this side?
Look. See it here, baby. See two trees on there.
Oh, right here?
Yeah,
It's going to be in the way.
What?
The hammock. From right here to right here? From here to here?
To the mango tree.
Diesel? Oh, so we're going to block this space right here?
Yeah, I'm still telling you one live and nobody know.
So when we going to put the swing back up, though?
You can't put the swing at any time, but a different place where they're not really.
Yeah, because the ground too sticky.
So, get back your breadfruit leaf them if you good, and all of them come from Muzikland. Where they get them on a big brother, but they get them on Muzikland. So, banana they go waste anyway. And we have the jelly, we have the jelly to pick now.
Okay.
We have the jelly to pick to do the toothpaste. Yeah, because we're going to do the toothpaste right now. I see chocho in the mama, you can see chocho in the face too. You can do one to feature for chocho.
You know what the chocho look like.
Come. See this vine? That's the chocho vine. See that? The chocho upon it, the big old chocho there. Isn't it? Chocho.
I can't even see the chocho no more. Oh.
See this for a little bit.
The rain got the yard looking a mess for real.
Yeah, can I stay right there? So
No, I can't stay right here because these leaves are in my way. I can't even see nothing.
Mom, we can use coconut water to do it.
Hmm?
We can use coconut water.
From out the jelly?
We have coconut in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't have to pick the jelly. You want jelly to drink different, eh?
Is we gonna cook with jelly today? Ain't we making silk today?
Yeah, we have the chocolate. So now we have coconut in there. We can use the coconut water. I make the the thing instead of me have to pick unless you want jelly to drink.
No.
Pick it same way.
Yeah. At least one. I can't even see where the stick at. These big old leaves are all in my way. I can't even see nothing. Can't see jack diddly squat. Can't see nothing that's going on. I can't see nothing that's going on. All right, that was a hard snatch too. That's a big, huge one. Bro, I see it shaking and everything. All right, babe. I think it's coming this time. Ain't hooked. There you go. There you go. What the? Yo! How that thing ain't fall off of that tree? Yo, that is crazy. That was a hard snatch. Right. Like you're trying to battle again, because that's a big, hard one.
Oh, shit.
Careful, babe. Take a rest.
Yeah, make it one.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Big one.
That ain't the big. It don't matter. That one was big too, though. We just need one.
No, baby, I take it down to car. This is too much trouble.
All right. Careful, rest your shoulder. You know that don't hurt.
All right, see it now.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. That thing is tough on there.
Yeah, me put it on the vine.
Yeah.
Put it on the vine, me rest my shoulder. Every damn thing. Oh, fuck.
That one hard on the vine. Let's just do that one, cause that one's that big one.
Last time is
okay. That big one is stuck on that vine heavy. I can't even see the big one through all the trees for real.
Proof. Difficult. Give me a left it.
Yeah, left it. Left it.
That's not bomb buckle out there. That's no more than it.
Ouch. I got stabbed down in the head and everything. Look, that's the one he was trying to get. That thing is so, it's stuck up there.
Come, just take out that out and show you some marks. That's a fuck up.
And decrepit.
Sure. No coconut that. So one coconut there, but it's going to drop from first day. True. Yeah.
Wait. That's the one that fell today, right there.
No, that's the one coconut. See the bigger one over there, sir?
Oh, that one. Oh, that one in the corner? Yeah. Over there? You me get it?
Go on, huh? Mine, it go over to you, let me see. That's a dirty wash your things, huh? Yeah,
Oh yeah, I hear the water now.
Walk us a bit. Walk us.
I can't believe all the leaf of life gone that was right here.
Sit down.
Yeah.
But come, me go carry go show you right now.
Alright, so
back.
look.
Yeah.
Oh well, it is some right over there too.
Yeah, but baby, tell them.
But they was big and huge. It was like a whole little forest of leaf of life.
Forested off with leaf of life.
Yeah, and they was big. The leaves was big. The rain killed everything. Beat them down. Look, where's some baby ones? And look right here. Yeah, and then look, some baby ones all right now.
Here baby one. Look, between the rock, them a million of them up.
Yeah, leaf of life everywhere.
Yeah, because of that the rain they do. So I'm going to carry you somewhere now. Go show you some.
I should have put on sneakers. Look at my sandals.
Oh, damn. All right, come here. Go change and put on.
All right, let me go change my shoes. Look at the yard, y'all.
Yeah, man,